Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, we've got a few key things coming out today. Chinese inflation numbers will be key for Aussie and Kiwi, of course. We've got the Kiwi RBNZ rate decision. Now, don't get complacent like me. I was 100% sort of pretty much sure that the RBA was going to cut rates yesterday, and they didn't, right? So the RBNZ not expected to cut rates. But as I said, don't be complacent. Have a look around and see what might happen if they actually do cut rates, right? It would be a sell Kiwi situation. In the US session, we've got the oil stocks change, good for oil prices, dollar CAD, and then the FOMC minutes, right? So they're the key fundamental data releases coming out. Now, just looking, let me just get rid of that little bit of news there. Right, looking at the hourly charts, okay, we've got a little bit of a dollar correction here, right? Market getting a little bit $2 bearish. Dollar Swiss is cruising topside. Dollar yen, once again, the beast. This thing is, when it goes, it's out of control. Very hard to get in and stay in. Dollar CAD, well, caught between a rock and a hard place. Bit of US dollar strength and weak. Well, oil is actually going up just at this point, but sort of all over the place. And you got euro sort of just drifting a little bit sideways. The market got itself very long euro, sterling, Aussie and Kiwi, and Aussie and Kiwi sort of just cruising downside, right? So we've got a lot of things going on. Now, to make trading easier, of course, just scroll down to the live signals and you can isolate the best pairs. But this is one of those weird transitional parts of the week where nothing is really lining up, right? The fundamentals, like that RBA rate decision, no change, completely unexpected against the trend. And that sort of discombobulates the market. So we are looking for opportunities here. Now, the euro is, besides euro Swiss, is outperforming most things. I'll be keeping a close eye on that. But the signals, the alerts are not lining up with direction just at the moment. Okay. But don't forget, this is a 24-hour non-stop updates. So just click update on the page and you'll get the current updates. Like, for example, Eric, okay, got long sterling Kiwi and he's making cash, right? There are trades here no matter where you are. If you're in the Australasian session, European or North American, just click refresh the page, see if anything lines up. If it does, it's worth investigating and getting those trades on. All right. So these are the key releases that are coming out today. Sort of factor those into the signals or the alerts that could create the opportunities for us. All right, guys, all the best. Cheerio.